Hello everyone, magandang buhay po sa lahat. Welcome back po dito sa Native Man Math Tutorial. Sa video na ito ay papaliwanag ko po sa inyo about addition and subtraction of binomials. So sa latest video ko po ay pinaliwanag ko doon how to add and subtract monomial. So ngayon naman po ay binomials. So paano nga po ba ini-add or sinusubtract ang binomials? Okay? Just like these examples for addition of binomials. We have number 1, 2x plus 8 plus 3x minus 5. So yung 2x plus 8 is a binomial and 3x minus 5 is another binomial. So paano po ba natin i-add? Another one, 5a minus b plus 2a plus 3b. So 5a minus b is a binomial and 2a plus 3b is another binomial. So how are we going to add? So magpipresent po ako ng examples or different examples from easy to difficult. Gawin din po sa subtraction of binomials. So I am going to present different examples kung paano po mag-add and mag-subtract ng binomials. Before I present examples, I'm going to present first what are the rules in adding binomials and rules in subtracting binomials. Okay, so for addition of binomials, for number 1 rule, remove parentheses and add similar terms. And for number 2 rule, the similar terms cannot be added. So the same with the discussion sa latest video ko about monomial, hindi po natin pwedeng i-add yung dissimilar terms. So all we can add are those similar terms. Okay? So paano po kaya ito ipe-perform? Okay? Papaliwanag ko po yan sa inyo step by step sa atin pong examples. For subtracting binomials or rules in subtracting binomials, number 1, remove parentheses and subtract similar terms. If negative sign or minus sign is placed before the parentheses, change the sign of the terms. Okay, so ano po kayang ibig sabihin niya? Okay, papaliwanag ko po yan sa ating examples. And for number 2 rule, the similar terms cannot be subtracted. So the same with the adding binomials, so the similar terms cannot be added or subtracted. Okay, so lahat po yan ay gagawin po natin sa ating examples. Okay, so bago po i-present yung examples, ay if you are not yet subscribed to this channel, baka pwede po ninyong i-subscribe. Hindi po kayo magsisisi kasi lahat po ng lessons sa grade 8 mathematics ay i-upload ko po dito. Okay, tutulungan ko po kayong matuto o intindihin lahat po ng lessons ng grade 8 math revised K-12 curriculum. Okay, so let's start. Unahin po natin ang addition of binomials. Okay? Find the sum of the following binomials. So let's start for number 1 example. So easy lang po muna yung ipipresent ko. Okay? 2x plus 8 plus 3x minus 5. So again, 2x plus 8, a binomial, and 3x minus 5, another binomial. So now, how are we going to add? So ganito lang po yon. First step, sabi ko po kanina, is we are going to remove the parentheses. Kapag addition po ng binomial, okay, you can remove directly yung parentheses. So wala pong magbabago sa lahat ng terms. Okay? So basta't wala pong minus sign or negative sign before ng parentheses. So ito po ay walang pong minus sign, wala pong negative sign. So therefore, as is, pwede po nating tanggalin yung parentheses. Okay, kagaya po nito, 2x plus 8 plus 3x minus 5. So okay lang po yan. Okay, now, there are two ways to add binomials. Okay, first way ay, or first method ay by column method. So paano po? Ganito lang po yung column method. Okay, 2x plus 8, ito po yung first binomial. And then, i-add po natin yung 3x minus 5. Okay, this another binomial. Okay, so sa column method, pagtatapatin po natin yung similar terms. Okay, 2x and 3x are similar terms and 8 and 5 are also similar terms. Now, we can add now by using column. Okay, so 2x plus 3x is equal to what? So, naintindihan po natin sa first topic natin about adding monomial. All you have to do sa kapag i-add po natin itong dalawang monomial is copy the literal coefficient and then add the numerical coefficients. So this will become 5x. Okay? 2 plus 3 is 5 and then copy the variable or literal coefficient x. Okay? And then here, 8 plus negative 5. So minsan nakakalito po kapag gantong binomial. Ang ginagawa po ng iba ay 8 plus 5. That is equal to 13. No, hindi po ganon. Kapag ilalagay po natin in horizontal form, okay, ganito po yun sa magiging horizontal form. 8 plus negative 5. So 8 plus negative 5. Ito pong operation na minus 5 ay ito din po yung sign ng term na 5. Ano po? So, lagi pong tatandaan, kapag minus 5, yan po ay negative 5 pag ilalayo po natin. Okay? So, this will become 8 plus negative 5. And what is 8 plus negative 5? Okay. So, here in adding integers, kapag yung dalawang integers are unlike sign, ibig sabihin magkaiba ng sign, all you have to do is subtract. So what is 8 minus 5? That is equal to 3. Okay po ba? That is equal to 3 or positive 3. So here, yung 3 na yan ay magiging plus 3 because that is positive 3. Okay po ba yon? So 5x plus 3 is the sum. Okay. So another method is by using horizontal line. So, as is, ganito po yung pag-add natin. So, ang gagawin lang po natin is, pagtatabihin po natin yung similar terms. So, 2x and 3x are similar terms. So, therefore, pwede po nating pagtabihin para hindi po tayo malito sa pag-add or subtract. Okay. So, 2x and 3x. So, pag pinagtabi po natin, magiging ganyan. So, 2x and then yung 3x, kapag nilipat po natin itong term, kasama po yung operation niya before plus 3x, kaya ito po ay magiging plus 3x. Okay? And then, dugsong na po natin itong plus 8 and minus 5. Okay? So, this will become plus 8, this one, and then minus 5. So, now, we can add 2x plus 3x. Okay? Yan. So, we can add, again, how to add monomial. All you have to do is add the numerical coefficient 2 plus 3 and then copy the literal coefficient x. So 2 plus 3 is 5 and then yung x kaya 5x. And dito naman po, that is 8 minus 5. What is 8 minus 5? That is equal to positive 3. So that will become plus 3. So we have now 5x plus 3. So the answer here, if you add these two binomials, that is equal to 5x plus 3. Now, can we add 5x and 3? Hindi po pwedeng i-add yung 5x and 3 because they are dissimilar terms. Okay? Again, sa addition, we can only add similar terms. Okay, so how about this number 2 example? 5a minus b plus 2a plus 3b. So 5a minus b, first binomial, 2a plus 3b, second binomial. So how are we going to add? So again, pwede po nating tanggalin yung parenthesis. Wala pong minus sign or negative sign before po dito sa parenthesis. Kaya as is, pwede po nating tanggalin. So this become 5a minus b plus 2a plus 3b. Okay? And then, we add similar terms. So 5a and 2a, we can add. So pwede naman pong gamitin yung column method. So 5a minus b, okay, this one. Then plus this one. 2a plus 3b. Okay, this one. And then, magkatapat na po yung similar terms, a and then b. Okay, so what is 5a plus 2a? Again, add the numerical coefficient. 5 plus 2 is 7 and then yung a. Okay, so 7a. And then this one, b plus 3b or negative b plus 3b. So pag ganito, again, marami pong nalilito. So what is the numerical coefficient of b here? So kapag wala po, understood na ito po ay 1. So negative b is the same as negative 1b. Okay. So here, ang i-add po natin ay negative 1 plus 3. Okay, ganito po sa ating horizontal form. Okay, so that is minus 1b. So negative 1 and then plus positive 3. Kaya negative 1 plus 3. Okay, again, take note na yung minus po ay sign po ng sinusundan niyang term. Okay, kaya minus 1b, negative 1. Okay, what is the answer for negative 1 plus 3? Again, if the integers are unlike sign, all you have to do is subtract. What is 3 minus 1? That is equal to 2, right? Okay. Okay, so 2. So magiging 2 po ang numerical coefficient ng sagot natin dito. And then copy the variable b. Okay, that is 2b. So the answer for these two binomials is 7a plus 2b. Okay? So lagay po natin doon 7a plus 2b. Another one method is by horizontal. Okay? 5a minus b plus 2a plus 3b. Ito po yun. Okay? Ito po yan. Now, again, combine like terms, 5a and 2a. Pagsamahin po natin. Okay? So, 5a plus 2b, kaya sundan po natin. Kunin po natin yung operation before, that is plus 2b. And then, dugsong po natin yung b here. That is minus b, kaya ito po ay minus b. And then, plus 3b. Okay, this one, plus 3b. Okay? So, magkatabi na po yung similar terms, 5a plus 2a and negative b plus 3b. Okay, first we are going to add this one. 5 plus 2 is 7 and then the variable a, so 7a. And then paano po naging 2b sa pagganto po? Again, ito po ay 1. Okay, so 1b plus 3b, so negative 1 plus 3. Okay, ito po yon kanina. Negative 1 plus 3, that is equal to positive 2. Since positive 2, that will become plus 2. Okay, and then your variable na b, so 2b. So the answer is 7a plus 2b. Okay, for number 3 example. Negative 2m squared n plus 6 plus 4m squared n minus 9. So this is addition of binomial by a binomial. Okay? So negative 2m squared n plus 6 is a binomial and 4m squared n minus 9 is another binomial. Okay, so to add, first, remove the parenthesis. So wala pong minus sign or negative sign before the parenthesis. So pwede pong directly tanggalin yung kanyang parenthesis. So this will become negative 2m squared n plus 6 plus this one, 4m squared n minus 9. Okay, so we can add by column method or by horizontal method. So by column method, so this will become negative 2m squared n plus 6, okay, this one, and then plus 4m squared minus 9, okay, this one. Since yung ating pong first term dito ay pareho po ang literal coefficient, then we can add the numerical coefficient. Okay? So, we just copy m squared n and then add negative 2 plus 4. And what is negative 2 plus 4? Ipipresent ko po sa inyo in horizontal form. Negative 2 plus 4. Okay, this one. The answer is 2. So, paano po nakuha yung 2? Again, if the integers are unlike sign, ibig sabihin magkaibang sign, subtract yung higher number to smaller number. So 4 minus 2 is 2. And then the sign of the answer is the sign of the higher number na pinag-plus po natin. So 4 is greater than 2. The sign of 4 is positive. So the answer is positive 2. Okay. So here, ang numerical coefficient po niyan ay positive 2. And then yung literal coefficient, m squared n. Okay. How about the next term, 6 plus negative 9. So bakit po sinabi kong negative 9? Because that is minus 9. Okay? Again, i-consider po natin yung sign na o yung operation as the sign of the term. Okay? Since that is minus 9, that is negative 9. So in horizontal form, this will become 6 plus, okay, this one, negative 9. And the answer is negative 3. So again, how come that this is negative 3? To add integers, okay? Kapag magkaiba ang sign, subtract. So 6 is positive, 9 is negative. So subtract. What is 9 minus 6? 3. And then, ano po yung sign ng sagot? Bakit po negative 3? Because 9 is greater than 6. Okay? And the sign of 9 is negative, so the sign of the answer is negative. So that is negative 3. Since negative 3 po yung sagot sa 6 plus negative 9, yung negative po magiging minus sa operation. Okay, magiging ganyan po siya. Okay, negative 3 magiging minus 3. So this become 2m squared n minus 3. So yan po yung magiging sagot natin sa number 3. Now, can we add or can we subtract this one? 2m squared n minus 3? Okay, no. We cannot subtract because they are the similar terms. So yan na po yung ating final answer. Okay, so let's proceed on the subtraction of binomials. So find the difference of the following binomials. So unahin po natin sa pinaka-madali. Number 1 example. 5x plus 6 binomial minus 3x plus 5 another binomial. Okay, so kapag ganito pong subtraction of binomials, so meron po tayong minus sign before the parenthesis. Hindi po natin basta-basta tatanggalin yung parenthesis kapag meron pong minus sign or negative sign. Okay, dito po sa 5x plus 6, wala pong negative sign before the parenthesis. So pwede po nating tanggalin agad yung kanyang parenthesis. So pwede po magiging 5x plus 6. Okay, here, minus 3x plus 5. So, meron po tayong minus. So, ang gagawin po natin dyan ay tatanggalin po natin itong minus. Okay? Ano pong gagawin natin? Bakit po natin i-remove? Then, change all the sign of the terms inside the parenthesis. Okay? So, ito pong 3x ay magiging negative 3x kasi sa loob ng parenthesis, ito pong 3x ay positive. So, gawin po nating negative 3x. So, yung negative 3x magiging minus 3x po yan. Okay? At ito pong plus 5, change the operation plus to minus. So, magiging minus 5. Okay, nakuha po ba? So, minus, okay, 3x minus 5. Change the sign, all the operation or the sign of the term inside this parenthesis. Okay, so we have now 5x plus 6 minus 3x minus 5. So, ito na po ay combination ng addition and subtraction of monomial. Okay, by column method, pwede naman pong by column method or pwede naman pong horizontal method. So, ang gagawin ko na po dito ay horizontal method. Pagtatabihin po natin yung like terms or yung similar terms. So, ang similar po dito ay 5x and negative 3x. So, pagtabihin po natin, so let's become 5x and then minus 3x, kukunin po natin o kasama po yung 3x okay, kapag nilipat po natin. Ano po yung 3x? So, itatabi po natin sa 5x. So, minus 3x here. Okay? Sundan po natin o kunin po natin yung operation niya. Okay, minus 3x. And then, dugtong po natin plus 6 and then minus 5. Okay? So, since 5x minus 3x are similar terms, then we can subtract. So, what is 5x minus 3x? So, just like addition, subtract the numerical coefficient 5 minus 3 that is equal to 2. And then copy the variable x, so that is 2x. How about this one? 6 minus 5. Okay, what is 6 minus 5? That is equal to positive 1. So positive 1, yung positive po ay magiging plus 1. Okay, so 2x plus 1, that is the answer for number 1 question. Okay, for number 2 example, 7a cubed minus 8 minus negative 2a cubed plus 5. Okay, so binomial minus a binomial. Okay, so here, we are going to remove first the parenthesis. So dito po sa unang parenthesis, 7a cubed minus 8, wala pong minus or negative sign before the parenthesis. So pwede po natin yang tanggalin. So magiging 7a cubed minus 8. So here, we have minus before the parenthesis. So we're going to remove this one, minus, and change all the sign or operation inside the parenthesis. So ito po ay negative 2a cubed, magiging positive 2a cubed po siya. So yung positive po ay plus. So magiging plus 2a cubed, and then yung plus 5, magiging minus 5. Okay, again, nakuha po ba? Negative 2a cubed, negative will become positive. So yung positive po ay plus, kaya plus 2a cubed. And then yung plus 5 change magiging minus 5. Okay? So yan, pwede na pong mag-perform ng operation. So addition and subtraction of monomial. Okay, pagtabihin po natin itong like terms. Ang like terms po natin or similar terms ay 7a cubed and 2a cubed. Okay, so pagtabihin po natin to add. So, ganyan po. 7a cubed and then plus 2a cubed. Okay, this one. And then, idugtong po natin yung minus 8 and then minus 5. Okay po ba? So, we have now similar terms. We can subtract. Pareho pong a cubed ang literal coefficient. So, add the numerical coefficient. What is 7 plus 2? That is equal to 9. And copy a cubed. That will become 9a cubed. How about this one? Negative 8 minus 5. Okay, so what's the answer? Lagay ko po dito para hindi ko po kayo malito. Bakit po negative 8? Kasi ito po ay minus 8, so yan po ay negative 8 minus 5. So, para hindi po kayo malito, gawin po nating addition. Negative 8 minus 5 is the same as negative 8 plus negative 5. So, pareho lang po yan. Ano po? Okay, itinuro ko po yan sa inyo nung kayo ay grade 7. Okay, so in adding integers with like sign or the same sign, all you have to do is add. So what is 8 plus 5? That is equal to 13. And then copy the sign negative, so the answer is negative 13. Okay? So the answer for negative 8 minus 5 is negative 13. So yung negative 13, idudugtong po natin dito, magiging iyan po ay minus 13 kasi siya po ay negative. Okay, so the answer for this binomials is 9a cubed minus 13. Okay? Number 3 example. 7h plus 3g minus 4h minus g is equal to blank. Okay. So this is binomial minus another binomial. So first step, we remove the parentheses. So ito pong una, 7h plus 3g. Mayroon pong parentheses. Pwede po bang tanggalin kaagad? So pwede po because there is no negative or minus sign before. Okay, so let's become 7h plus 3g. Okay, for the next binomial, 4h minus g, meron pong minus before the parentheses. So hindi po natin agad pwedeng tanggalin. Again, the rule is we are going to move minus sign and change all the sign inside the parentheses. Okay, so ito pong 4h is positive, magiging ito po ay negative 4h. So magiging, pag dinugtong po natin, minus 4h. Okay po ba? And then, ito pong minus g, change the operation from minus to plus. So plus g. Okay, so yan na po ay na-remove natin yung parenthesis. Then we can now perform the operation. So ito na po ay addition and subtraction of monomial. Okay, so 7h and 4h. So pagtabihin po natin to add or subtract. So 7h, ganyan po yan. And then minus 4h, okay, this one, plus 3g, and then plus g. So again, inulit ko po, yung pong operation before ay kasama po siya sa paglipat. Okay? So now, we can now subtract 7h minus 4h. So pareho pong h, just subtract the numerical coefficient, 7 minus 4, that is equal to 3. And then yung variable na h, so 3h. Okay, ito naman, pareho pong positive kasi plus. 3 plus 1 po na numerical coefficient ng g dito. So what is 3 plus 1? 4. And then copy the variable g. So 4g. So the answer is 3h plus 4g. Okay? Number 4 example. 3m plus 4 minus 7m plus 10. So again, first step, remove the parentheses. So wala pong sign before the parentheses here. So we just remove. So magiging 3m plus 4. Okay? So here, mayroon pong minus before the parentheses. So change the sign here inside the parentheses and we remove minus. So 7m is positive, will become negative 7m. So yung negative magiging minus 7m. Okay? And then yung plus 10, change the operation plus to minus. So that is minus 10. Okay, again, pagtabihin po natin yung similar terms. So 3m and 7m. Okay, so we can now subtract 3m minus 7m. So, subtract what is 3 minus 7? 3 minus 7 is equal to negative 4. Okay, and then yung variable na m, so this become negative 4m. At ito naman pong 4 minus 10, the answer is what? What is 4 minus 10? Lagay ko po muna dito para di po tayo malito. What is 4 minus 10? That is equal to negative 6. So, pero paano po yan? So, from minus, gawin po nating plus. So, this is the same as 4 plus negative 10. So, pareho lang po yan. So, again, if different sign, subtract. So, what is 10 minus 4? That is equal to 6. Okay? At yung sagot ay magiging negative kasi ang sign ng mas malaking integer ay 10. So the sign of 10 is negative. So the sign of the answer is negative. So that is negative 6. Okay po ba? Since yan po ay negative 6, dudugsong po natin ito, magiging yan po ay minus 6. So the answer is negative 4m minus 6. Okay? Okay, so to end up the lesson, ay mag-iwan po ako ng activity. So let's see how you understand the lesson. Okay, this is our activity. Find the sum or difference of the following binomials. Number 1, 10m plus 3 minus 7m plus 10. Number 2, 5x minus 4 minus negative 7x plus 8. And number 3, 7y plus 6k minus 10y minus 10k. Okay, so baka naman po pwede po ninyong i-share yung magiging sagot po ninyo sa activity na ito. Paki-comment lamang po sa comment box below ng video na ito. Okay, so let's see if your answer is correct. Salamat sa panood kaibigan. Kung natuto ka sa video na ito at nagustuhan mo, baka pwede mo naman pong i-click yung like and then subscribe kung bago ka pa lang po dito sa ating channel. So mag-subscribe na po kayo, hindi po kayo magsisisi kasi lahat po ng lessons ng grade 8 mathematics ay i-upload ko po dito from first quarter up to the fourth quarter.